The Treehole Cat Bed by Mellownido offers indoor cats a cozy, secure space that satisfies their natural instincts to hide and explore. Sized at 17. 7 by 15. 7 by 11. 8. It comfortably fits small to medium cats, blending functionality with charming cottage-style decor for any room. Lined with plush crystal velvet, this bed stays warm and soft year-round, mimicking a mother cat's fur for ultimate comfort. Its durable foam roof maintains shape while the anti-slip base ensures safety during play. The removable, machine-washable pillow and easy clean zipper design make upkeep simple. Worth a look if you want your cat's comfort and your home's style in one.